Well, it's going to be a hot start to the week today and tomorrow. Highs near 90 in southern Minnesota, including the Twin Cities. But storms will be making their way across the state today into tomorrow, followed by some much cooler air Wednesday and Thursday. Of course, air quality was a big theme over the weekend. Saturday for southern Minnesota, statewide, it was bad, but the unhealthy air now mostly in northern Minnesota. Still some pockets, though, in southern Minnesota. Twin Cities kind of a mix. We're on the edge of the orange, which is unhealthy for sensitive groups, and yellow, moderate air quality. This is a downtown Minneapolis sensor, mostly in the moderate, but you can see that weekend air quality. Not good. It was unhealthy for everybody Saturday. You could smell it Saturday morning. Got out there and like a campfire out there. Highs today are going to be pretty warm, upper 80s to near 90 in southern Minnesota, but notice the difference. Much cooler air to the north, 70s there. This is a slow-moving cool front that'll be producing our weather here over the next couple of days. We're kind of stuck in between the really humid air to the south, drier, cooler air coming in from the north, and then in between. Muggy still in the 60s, but not the oppressive humidity, but you don't need that to produce showers and storms. We've got a cool front coming through across the state. That combined with the jet stream moving in, several different upper level disturbances are going to produce some rounds of rain and storms here that could really add up here. It's going to be very difficult to pinpoint where exactly the heaviest rain develops, but really anywhere in central and northern Minnesota here over the next couple of days. Most of the showers today, northwestern Minnesota near that front, but as it slowly moves south tonight, more storms develop for northern Minnesota, and then that focus turns more to central and northern Minnesota during the day tomorrow. Another hot one for us in the south, but tomorrow night into Wednesday, we'll see our chance of showers and storms move into the picture here. And that's going to keep it kind of cool Wednesday too. We're talking about some really cool air for mid-July to see highs in the 60s and 70s. But more rain comes in Wednesday, upper level disturbance taking advantage of that frontal boundary that'll still be moving through. Not a whole lot of risk of severe weather. Marginal risk mostly tonight for those storms that redevelop after midnight. The primary concern would be some isolated large hail, maybe some high wind gusts. And then tomorrow, really across central and southern Minnesota, though, into South Dakota and Nebraska, might see some more substantial severe weather with the potential for some higher wind gusts. But the bigger thing we're looking at is the possibility of excessive rainfall, those several-inch rainfall amounts possible here along the front. It's drawn almost perfectly along that front for tomorrow. So primarily central and northern Minnesota. This is a model average, producing 1 to 2 inches across central Minnesota, but you got to look at kind of the individual models to get hints of what we could potentially see with some of those locally higher amounts. This is the high resolution rapid refresh model. And again, don't pay attention to exactly where it is, but it is producing a half foot of rain in some pockets, potentially here in central Minnesota. So that's the thing we're going to have to watch for tomorrow into tomorrow night. But again, ahead of it, that front, another hot day for southern Minnesota tomorrow, back in the 90s, but 70s only to the north. Quite the contrast. But we get in on that Wednesday. Look at these highs Wednesday. Because of the clouds and showers, just low to mid 70s south, still near 80 along the Minnesota-Iowa border, but 60s only for much of northern Minnesota. Mid-July should be the hottest time of the year. Been an odd summer. Temperatures are averaging, though, above normal still, especially with these next couple of days. July was already running above normal. 91 today, 91 tomorrow. A very warm night tonight, but dry for the Twin Cities today and tonight, and most of tomorrow. It's by the evening and maybe not even till tomorrow night that we'll see showers and storms make their way farther south into what looks like a gloomy, dreary Wednesday. Clouds decrease Thursday. Still on the cooler side, and then nice weekend shaping up for the most part. Looks like the next disturbance will come in mainly late Friday night, bringing some showers and hopefully moving out of here Saturday. Still an isolated chance, but generally getting better and closer to normal temperatures again by the weekend.